Hello everyone, welcome back to Miss Morning Muse, your space to learn easy and practical English every day. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most important English speaking topics, how to talk in English at a restaurant. Many learners feel nervous when they visit a restaurant and need to order food in English. Don't worry, in this lesson I will guide you step by step. We will go through everything from greeting the waiter, ordering food, asking questions about the menu, requesting the bill, and even giving feedback politely. By the end of this video, you will be able to confidently handle any restaurant situation in English. So make sure you will stay till the end of this video and repeat the sentences with me. Ready? Let's begin. Part 1 is entering into the restaurant. When you enter a restaurant, the first impression is important. Start with a friendly greeting. You can say, "Good evening" or "Hello." If you want to request a table, say, "Could I have a table for 2 please?" If you are alone, say, "Table for 1 please." If you prefer a special place to sit, you can add, "Can we sit near the window please?" or "Can we have a quiet corner please?" Using words like please and thank you makes your English sound more polite and natural. Now, when the waiter gives you the menu, you can say, "Thank you. May I have a few minutes to decide?" This shows confidence and politeness. Remember, tone matters. Speak slowly and clearly. Part 2 is reading and understanding the menu. When you look at the menu, there might be some new words or dishes. Don't be afraid to ask questions. You can say, "What's in this dish? Is this spicy? Do you have vegetarian options?" If you want the waiter's suggestion, say, "What do you recommend?" For example, if you are not sure which drink to choose, you can ask, "Which drink goes well with this dish?" This not only helps you to decide but also makes your conversation more interactive. Let's repeat together. What do you recommend? Is it spicy? Do you have vegetarian dishes? Repeat these sentences aloud to build fluency and confidence. The third part is ordering food. Once you decide what to eat, here are some natural ways to order. "I will have the grilled chicken, please." "Can I have a bowl of soup and salad, please?" For drinks, "I will have a fresh lime soda." You can also use "I would like" or "I would prefer." For example, "I would like the pasta with white sauce." "I would prefer orange juice instead of cola." If you want to check portion size, you can also ask, "Is this enough for one person?" or "Is it served with rice or bread?" And if you are ordering dessert, you can say, "I would like to order some chocolate ice cream for dessert." Remember to sound friendly and confident. When your food arrives, you can say, "Thank you" or "That looks delicious." If you need something extra, here are some sentences to use. "Could I have some extra napkin, please?" "Can I get a glass of water?" "Excuse me, could you bring some ketchup?" If the food is too cold or not what you expected, it's okay to politely mention it. Excuse me, my soup is a little cold. Could you please warm it up? I think this is not what I ordered. Could you please check? Being polite makes communication smooth even when there is a problem. While eating, if the waiter comes to check, they might ask, "How is everything?" You can reply with, "Everything's perfect, thank you," or "It is really tasty." Try not to just say good. Use positive and descriptive words like tasty, delicious, excellent, or flavorful. Part 5 is about asking the bill. When you finish your meal, you will need to ask for the bill. Here are some common ways. Could I have the bill, please? Can I pay by card? Do you accept UPI or cash? If you are in a group, you can say, "Can we get separate bills, please?" When you finish paying, it's always nice to say, "Thank you, everything was great. We really enjoyed the meal." Polite feedback leaves a good impression and makes you sound confident. The 6th part is review and practice. Let's quickly revise everything we learned today. When entering the restaurant, you can say, "Good evening, table for 2 please." When ordering food, "I will have grilled chicken. What do you recommend?" "Can I have a fresh lime soda?" When asking for help, "Could you bring some water, please?" "Excuse me, may I have some extra napkins?" When finishing, "Could I have the bill, please?" "Thank you, the food was delicious." Practicing these sentences again and again will make you natural speaker of English. You can even role play with a friend or record yourself. Here are some bonus tips for speaking English confidently in a restaurant. Before we finish, here are some quick tips to improve your English speaking confidently. Listen and repeat. Watch English movies or YouTube videos where people order food. Repeat the lines to copy pronunciation and tone. Think in English. When you go out to eat, try to think of what you will say in English, even if you are in a local restaurant. Use real situations. Practice English whenever possible, at cafes, food stalls, or while ordering online. Stay polite and positive. Always use words like please, thank you, excuse me, and sorry. They make your English more graceful and professional. Record yourself. Listening to your own voice helps you notice where you can improve your pronunciation and fluency. So friends, that's how you can confidently speak English at a restaurant. Now you know how to order food, ask questions, handle small issues politely, and give feedback like a native speaker. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Miss Morning Muse and share it with your friends who want to learn English. Remember, English is not just about grammar. It's about using simple words naturally in real situations. Keep practicing, stay confident, and speak English every day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Keep smiling and keep learning English with Miss Morning Muse.